Powerful military force in the history of man. Every fight is our fight. Because what happens over here matters over there. We don't get to sit one out. Learning to use the tools of modern warfare is the difference between the prospering of your people and utter destruction. We can't give you freedom, but we can give you the know-how to acquire it. And that, my friends, is worth more than a whole army base of steel. Sure, it matters who's got the biggest stick, but it matters a hell of a lot more who's swinging it. This is a time for heroes, a time for legends. History is written by the victors. Let's get to work.
Get up, Private Allen! Rangers, lead the way! Move! Keep up the pressure on those RPG teams! If that bridge layer gets hit, we're swimming, whoop! Allen, switch to the M203!
Warlord, this is Hunter 2-1, requesting airstrike at grid 252171. Target is a white 12-story apartment building. Over.
Drop some rounds and we'll cross the river.
Hunter 2-1, this is Warlord. Solid copy. I have Devil 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s online, stand by for relay. Hunter 2-1, this is Devil 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s, time on station 15 miles, holding at 3 Sierra Northwest, holding area 9, carrying 2 J-dams and 2 harms, over.
On the bridge, 10 o'clock high! Multiple targets, take them out!
Stand by.
On the bridge, far side!
Devil 1-1, target is a white 12-story apartment building at grid 252171. I need you to level that
They're
building.
retreating, keep
How
hitting
copy,
them!
over? Solid copy, Hunter 2-1. Rolling in now. Target acquired.
Bridge complete! Roscoe Mike, move out!
We're moving on! Get your ass back in the vehicle! Move!
Roscoe Mike, move it! Mount up! Move out! Turn shotgun!
Which building is it, sir? It's that tall one at 1 o'clock.
Hey, which building? The one at 1 o'clock. Hey, Dave, which one is it? Is it the one on the left or the right?
The one on the left.
Hey, isn't this danger close for the task force?
Come on, since when does Shepard care about being close?
That's what I'm talking about! Get some, baby! Woo! I'm telling you, it's Oscar Mike!
All right, we're Oscar Mike!
Oh, look, the building's going down! Woo! Big for this one!
Keep dreaming, Spielberg!
Hunter 2, breaking away.
Copy, Hunter 2. All Hunter 2 victors, keep an eye out for civvies. We're not clear to engage unless they fire first. Scan the rooftops for hostiles. Stay frosty.
You see anything?
I got nothing, dude. This place is dead.
Overlord, Hunter 2-1. We're passing Tunnel Harvey. Cross Street Elizabeth. Roger that, Hunter 2-1. Proceed with caution.
All right, stay frosty, you guys. This is the Wild West.
Roger that.
Watch those alleys.
Covering.
Mobiles, balcony 12 o'clock. Probable militia. Are they armed? Negative. They're just watching us.
I bet they're scouting us.
Yeah, but that don't mean we can shoot them.
Can you see him? Can you see him?
I don't see Jack!
All Hunter victors. This is Sergeant Foley. Prepare to engage.
Engage.
We're taking
We're going
sniper
in.
fire from multiple directions. contacts, front and back.
That's too many of them! Back up! I'm gonna shut up!
Slow down, we're getting spun out. Get ahead!
Let's go! We got a man down!
Is everyone all right?
They're moving around upstairs.
Get the hell away from those windows and secure the top floor. Move! Move! Contact to the northeast. Get a flashbang in there.
We got a man down here!
Hunter 2-1 to Hunter 2-3. I have eyes on the school. Over. Squad, on me. Let's go.
2-1, we are combat ineffective here. We're taking heavy fire from the school. Can you assist? Over.
Keep it together, 2-3. We're on the way. 2-1 out.
Yo, watch it! Flash on the right!
Hunter 2-3. Hunter 2-1. We're in the school. Heavy resistance.
Copy that, Hunter 2-1.
Can't get it. Keep moving. We need to take the heat off of Hunter 2-3. Moving. Roger that. Second floor window, left side.
Yeah, I'm cutting through history class now.
Hunter 2-1, this is Hunter 2-3. Thanks for the assist. We're leaving. Over.
Roger that. Roger that, 2-3. I think I saw one run into that classroom. Man down!
Clear! العدو قربوا من الجر! الحالة منتهي الآن!
Hunter 2-1 actual to Overlord.
Hunter 2-1 actual, this is Overlord. Send traffic.
The school is secure and hostiles are withdrawing from the area. We're just mopping up now.
Solid copy, Hunter 2-1 actual. Proceed with caution to the rally point. EPWs may still be in the area. Over.
Roger that, Overlord. Thanks for the tip. Out. Squad, watch for enemy stragglers. Let's get to that rally point.
Roger, I got it!
Got a visual. Target acquired. northwest!
Gentlemen, good work on taking the town. Private Allen, you'll be taking orders from me from now on. I'll brief you on the chopper. Let's go.
Battalion is Oscar Mike!